Kaimi Electric Spin Scrubber. Not just a scrubber, but a clean lifestyle. Embrace a future where cleaning is a breeze and super fun. 3 adjustable speeds, 420, 360, and 260 RPM. Perfect for any mess. The handle is extendable and detachable, saving your back and knees. Voice prompt and digital display screen keep you in control. IPX7 waterproof with Type-C port for fast charging. Ready in just 3 hours. 90 minutes of continuous power lets you clean without stop. 8 versatile brush heads handle every cleaning scenario. Perfect gift for loved ones to make their cleaning effortless. Grab yours now and transform your cleaning game instantly.